Hello everyone, welcome to Electrical Engineering Bootcamp Knowledge in Minutes. In this video, we are going to look at maintenance schedule of transformers. While some transformers, such as that of distribution transformers, are very much run to fail. However though, other transformers, such as that of power transformers, are very expensive, and it is important for companies to take care of this expensive asset. Some people might even recommend daily inspections, but for me, I would split maintenance in only two categories: monthly and yearly. For monthly maintenance, we check two general things: silica gel and oil. For oil, we need to look at the oil gauges of the conservator and main tank to see if there are any oil leaks. If oil bushings are used, we should look at those as well. There should also be visual inspections if there are any signs of oil leaks in general. So you should actually walk around the power transformer to look at if there are any signs of oil leaks. As for the silica gel, we should check the color of the gels as well as clean the breathing holes of the breather in order to have proper breathing. Let's talk about yearly maintenance now. The first thing we should look at is the oil condition inside the on-load tap changer. The transformer bushings should be cleaned and checked for cracks as well. We should also check for all alarms, relays, and control related to the transformer to see if it is functioning correctly. Then we need to check the pressure relief device and the Bosch hose relay to make sure that they can operate if needed. Then we should also do a Megger and DGA test. We should also check grounding resistance, cooling system control circuits, etc. So it is a very thorough check in these yearly maintenance. Now, lastly, there are some other maintenance tests that you should do, but some people might leave it for yearly maintenance, but some utilities might just leave it for bi-yearly, meaning every 2 years. And these includes tests such as the tan delta test on the transformer bushings. Now, if you are interested in learning more about electrical transformers or gaining a more fundamental and comprehensive knowledge base of electrical transformers, I recommend you to sign up to my Udemy course called Electrical Transformers Fundamentals. Now, this is a comprehensive video course where you can learn all about electrical transformers that are essential in working within the industry, from basic knowledge to how to procure and install transformers. So if you're interested, please check out the link in the video description.